Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now to get rid of the fried things that you have eaten in Diwali, today I'll be showing you a very light recipe for Kanda Poha. It is called Dadpe Pohe. This Dadpe Pohe is Konkan style Pohe, instant Pohe. Okay, for this I have taken one medium sized onion finely chopped, one medium sized tomato finely chopped, one cucumber finely chopped, one green chili finely chopped, and some coriander leaves finely chopped, and half the lime. Now this green chili depends on your likingness. If you like more, you can add more, or if you don't like it, you can avoid it. Then this cucumber is just to give the crunchiness, and tomato is to give the color. Okay, along with this I have taken some sengdana peanuts. I've taken, then say 1/4 katori freshly grated coconut and its water. Okay, some curry leaves, and 2 katori thick pohas, the pohas that is specially used for making Kanda Poha. So let us begin making this. First I will add onions. Okay, first I will add the onions. Then to it I'll be adding this coconut. Okay, and into this I'm going to squeeze half lime juice. I'm going to squeeze half lime juice. Okay, and I will mix all this. Okay, now this I will keep on one side. Now into this pohas, what I'll be doing, I'll be damping these pohas with this coconut water. You have to make them wet. Okay, take all the water, the amount of water that you get into one nariyal, that much is more than enough. And I'm going to mix this all, and also I'm going to keep this on one side so that it absorbs all the water and becomes little soggy. Okay, so this also now I'm going to keep it on one side. Now till the time these two rest, I will prepare a tempering. Now for tempering, I'm going to take 2 ladles of oil. 2 or 1.5. You can take only 1.5 ladle of oil. Okay, and switch on the gas flame. Okay, now let this get heated, and then when this gets heated, I'm going to add mustard seeds to it. Okay, let this get heated. This is very what you call refreshing recipe, and it is a filling recipe. It makes you feel the stomach is full. It's so nice. This can be prepared early in the morning for the breakfast or in the evening breakfast. This takes hardly 15 minutes to, everything should be kept prepared. Okay, now the oil must have heated. So what I'll do, I will add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Okay, let them crackle. I will lower the gas flame. See here, my tempering is ready. The peanuts have become brown. Now I will pull this down here. Meanwhile, what I will do, I will mix the tomatoes and the cucumber. See, the onions and the cucumber will give the crunchiness, and tomatoes will give it a color. Tomato and this coriander leaves. Now I will mix all this. Okay, and into this I'm going to add these soaked pohas. They have become literally very soft. Okay, and now I will mix all this together. Now into this also I will be adding this freshly chopped coriander. Everything mixed together, and you mix it properly. Now before adding the tempering, I'll be adding it a seasoning, that is the salt, to taste. So 1 teaspoon, 1 and little bit on the top. Okay, that's all. And if you like sweet taste, you can add half teaspoon of sugar. Okay, okay, now I will be adding this tempering onto this. Okay, and I will mix it together. Now after mixing this, I will cover it for 5 minutes so that the aroma and everything gets mixed with the pohas, and you will get a very good taste. So now I will cover it for 5 minutes and then I will show you. I have covered it for 5 minutes, and during these 5 minutes the aroma and the taste of tempering have incorporated into kanda poha. The crunchiness of onion and cucumber is excellent, and the color of tomato, red tomato, is so good. It looks awesome. Now if you don't have normal water, if you don't have the coconut water, you can use the normal water also. It's okay. Okay, now if you don't have the grated coconut and the coconut water, you can use the ready-made coconut milk that you get outside in the market. You can use that also. Okay, so this is my Dadpe Pohe, Konkani style. Okay, now I will serve this into the plate. And the crunchiness of the roasted peanuts, oh God, it tastes so good. I'm telling you, you must try this recipe. This is how my Dadpe Pohe looks. If you like my recipe, kindly subscribe my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Then you view my video, and if you like my recipe, click onto the thumbs up or the like button and share my video with your family, friends and relatives as much as possible. And do write your comments in the comments box. Do try this recipe. This is very good. It gets prepared within 15 minutes and you can serve to your guests. Thank you.